Good morning, everybody. I'm Ann.
And I'm Andy.
From Ann and Andy's Homestead, and it is a beautiful day today, and we are going to try to get a lot of stuff done today. So, y'all come on. Okay, y'all. This little area behind us used to be an old turkey pen, and we are going to get it all cleaned out. It's kind of gathered some junk around it the last few years, so we're going to get it all cleaned out, get it tore down, cut this tree down right here, and fix us a place to do some planting, because we're going to need some more room. Alrighty, here we go.
Not real tough.
It's hot. I'm going to have to go get on the short sleeve shirt. Okay, Andy's gone to get the tractor, and so I've recruited help. Hey, you gotta turn around. This is our son Mike with the muscles, and we're gonna get the swing set out of the woods here. I don't know if you can see it back there or not. It's back there. And we're gonna pull it up here in the backyard so that our grandkids can swing this summer. All right, here we go. Okay, Andy's back with the tractor, but we still got to get the swing set. I'm going to go help Michael. We got that moved now. Back to our other project. came to see Nana and Papa. Have I got you in the sun? Say hi. Say hi. For all of you that don't know, this is my granddaughter, and here is my daughter.
Hi.
Holly. You might recognize her from Yang Homestead.
Yeah,
If you
that's
don't, go check out their channel. It's really good. And you can see this little cutie on there. Okay, we've decided to leave this stump here. I'll just use it to set a flower pot or something on. And we'll just plant stuff around it. Hey, PJ. Okay, now we've got this cleared out, we can start planting and arranging where our gourd tunnels and things like that's gonna go. And thank you for joining us. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, share this with somebody, and we appreciate you. See you later.